In this video, I'm going to show you how to build sales funnels the best and easiest way with only 5 easy steps. So let's go ahead and dive in. Okay guys, my name's Scott Anderson. I'm here with Star Funnels and we're chatting about how to build sales funnels. So step number 1, guys, decide what type of funnel you want and decide what is your overall goal, okay? Do you want to capture an email to build your email list and sell them more things? Are you an affiliate marketer and want to try to get online commissions? Or are you trying to sell a physical product or a digital product? Okay, those are the 3 types of general things, of general goals that would come with funnels, okay? So I've got these itemized here, so we're gonna chat about these 3 types. So capturing the email, they call this a squeeze page. So the purpose of this is try to send some sort of lead magnet from your traffic, so then they enter their email information and then you can sell them more things, blah, blah, blah. So an example of this would be something like, let's say you're in the stock market industry and you want to say something like, find out the top secrets of Warren Buffett that made him $1 million. Download the PDF here. So then you enter the information, your email information, click, then it goes to downloading that PDF, okay? The next is a bridge page. So let's say you find a cool affiliate marketing offer on ClickBank, which a lot of people do, and you can make some great money doing that. Let's say it has to do something with the stock market, like the best program to make $1 million, okay? And if you're an affiliate for that, then you get a commission, okay? So here's your link. And in order to, and you've got your traffic, so you send the link to the traffic, you send them right to it, it kind of can be confusing. So you need this bridge, right, where you've got this other page, this sales page, kind of a testimonial page that says like, hey guys, Scott here, I have made, sure enough, $10,000 from this awesome program in only 1 month. I highly suggest it. Look out the other testimonials below. Click here to sign up. I'm going to send you a bonus. Blah, blah, blah. So you just make it like really exciting and sure enough they click and buy it, right? Then the third thing is, is an order form for selling something. And that's where someone will actually enter their credit card information on that sales funnel page and then you will get paid, okay? They call that a Tripwire. Okay guys, step 2 is choosing the template for each funnel. So guys, I use ClickFunnels to build out these funnels, and they have these awesome templates. And guys, let me just chat a little bit about ClickFunnels, okay? It is the best software for building out funnels. It is so easy. They make it just great, and they have all these templates that are proven to convert, that will help you with your goals, etc. The top marketers and business owners are using ClickFunnels, and they're making 7, 8 figures. And there's proof of that. You can go to ClickFunnels.com and you can see all their people with their trophies of showing that it's been proven. So guys, it's proven. It's very easy to get started. There are cheaper solutions out there like Builderall or even WordPress are free. And guys, that can take you hours upon hours and get you frustrated, and then you never even set up a funnel, and then you can't even test it, and then nothing will happen. With this, you can test so many different types of funnels, and it's really easy to do. It takes you like 5 minutes, and I'm going to show you how to do that. So anyway, guys, that's it with my spiel with ClickFunnels, but I will be showing you how to build these out within it. So guys, there are 2 different types of ways to check out to create a template within ClickFunnels, okay? There's this new way, they call it the Hacker's Cookbook. There are literally 22 different types of funnels that you can choose from right there, and I suggest, as you're a complete newbie, to go onto the Hacker's Cookbook and click on each one of them and watch Russell Brunson's like 2 to 3 minute video explaining what it is, because that'll really help you figure out what type of funnel you need. Okay, and then the old way, they call it the Classic Funnel Builder. You can get a little bit more creative with building out these templates. There's kind of more options, and so here we go. We're gonna show you. Okay guys, in this demonstration, I'm going to show you how to build a squeeze page, and I'm going to only try to do it in 2 minutes. So here we go. I've got my phone here, and it's probably gonna, yeah, here we go. All right, we're gonna go to the classic way, and I'm going to choose to get emails, and I'm going to do stock test right there, build funnel. So we're going to pretend that we are in the stock trading, day trading industry or niche, and we're going to just send out a PDF and collect someone's email, okay? So as you can see right here, for opt-in pages, here are so many different templates just for a squeeze page, right? Like, look at this. There's seriously so many. It's awesome. So I am just going to go ahead and click on this one right here, the super clean. I really like this one. And my suggestion is to keep it like really simple. These templates are already proven. You can get caught up. I get caught up all the time trying to make it look pretty and trying to make it really cool and creative. That doesn't matter, okay? The goal is to just to have someone enter in their email and then get the report, okay? So start that one trick to make, say, 400 to 400 to 400 a day that Warren Buffett uses. Something like that, right? You got to capture somebody. So discover the #1 trick to make a day with Warren Buffett that Warren Buffett uses, okay? This report reveals this PDF report reveals everything. Get your copy here. So, I mean, that's pretty simple, right? We might as well just keep it like that. So I'm going to go ahead and click save. You have to add something here or else it will not save. So I'm going to put stock squeeze. Oh, my time's up. Wow, I went by way too fast. Okay, well, try to do it here in like 4 minutes. Okay, so save. At least I did one step in 2 minutes. So here's the next step. So here's kind of your top menu here. I'm going to go ahead and click exit. That just means exit out of this step. So here are the steps over here, which are essentially pages. So we did the opt-in page. Now we're just going to do a thank you page and then we're going to be done. So click on thank you and it just gives you lots of more templates here. I like to make it look very consistent with the same background and everything where you're setting your thank you page to. So let's do this simple download page. I like this a lot. Select page. Of course, guys, there's all sorts of things you can tweak to do this. You can set up Google Analytics. You can set up SEO, all that good stuff. But just want to show you the fastest and easiest way, which I mean, sometimes this is better just to get it done and out on the internet, save with a link, and boom, you can start getting your goal completed. See, thank you. Next, here's the PDF report. We'll download your report how to seriously day trade and make 400 plus a day consistently. So download report here. And so just to let you guys know, because this is my first demonstration, you guys can add so much more here, right? So I can add like a picture, an image right there, right? I can delete it. I can choose to make this all go over here instead. I can make it like go like that. I can add a whole new, the blue here means sections. This green is kind of like the whole, actually I think the green is the section and this is, the blue is like columns. So let's say on the bottom here I want to add 6 columns. I want to add 6 different pictures right here, okay? Yeah. Anyway, so guys, that's kind of how you can do that. This video demonstration, it's been about 4 to 5 minutes. So once again, you just go ahead and save this. You got to put on here download report. And of course, you need to figure out where, when people click on this button, where they're going to be going. And by the way, you guys can change how this button looks. Download now, the report, the PDF report here. Awesomeness, all that good stuff. And then set actions, this is where, when they click on that button, where do you want to send them? So if it's a PDF, what is a URL PDF? Put that in right here. If you want to do the same window or a new window, I'd probably do the same window because you're done with the funnel. Probably get more conversions that way. Okay, so go ahead and save that. That is the end of the demonstration for a squeeze page. Let's go ahead and dive into the next, which is kind of affiliate bridge page. All right, so now we're going to go ahead and I'm going to put on here 5 minutes. And I'm going to go to funnels, build funnel. And this time I'm going to do the start cookbook, show you how this side works. And we're going to look for bridge, see if there is bridge on here, bridge funnel, boom. So I'm gonna go ahead and select that. See, Russell Brunson teaches in 51 seconds what a bridge page is. Super cool. That was an introduction. It kind of shows here, squeeze page, bridge page, and then the next funnel. So let's use, let's just use this first one right here. Get funnel. And we'll just make a few tweaks and create that bridge and then send them to a funnel. So guys, let's say now you're an affiliate marketer and you found this awesome offer on ClickBank, and it's this digital product to help people do affiliate marketing, okay? And it's to help them make, $1,000 a day, okay? So your lead magnet, edit page. So as you can see up here, you can add your logo, add something right here if you'd like. Here I would, let's go ahead and click save. So did that step one in like 2 to 3 minutes. Got another minute on the clock here. So save. Let's go back. Let's exit out of this. Let's go to the lead magnet. And this is where it looks like you would add a video, okay? And this is where I would then share my experience or explain how other people are crushing it, okay? So put your logo, step one, watch this video. Step two, go to the special page below. Okay, that makes sense, right? So step one, watch the video. And it's really cool, guys. You can make this video. If I enter a video in here, you can, see if I do YouTube video, you can do auto play, okay? So as soon as they come to this, the video will just pop right on. Block pause, you can decide if you want your users to pause the video or not pause it. You can have controls on or off. Branding, you can put different branding on there. You guys can change the size of it. So let's say we want a little bit smaller. So if we do 500 megapixels. So that's where you need to spend a little bit more time, right? It's creating a video. So create the video, create the link, and of course this, where they go here, will be to your affiliate link to the affiliate awesome goodness course, right? Guys, that's it, right? Just super simple. You change out this stuff, save it to a nice link, URL, and submit it all over to wherever you're getting your traffic, okay? So that is the end of that video. Guys, so the last demonstration is to do a Tripwire. It's kind of an order form where you actually sell something where people enter out their credit card funnel, okay? So let's go here to build a funnel, and let's also do the cookbook this time. And I'm gonna go to the Tripwire. So let's look here for the Tripwire, two-step Tripwire funnel. Select the funnel. Russell Brunson explains it right there. Let's do a different theme. Let's do this one right here. Conquer. Get funnel. So let's see. Let's say we're selling a physical product, okay? Looks like this funnel is set up for more of like an informational digital product. And so I will kind of show you how to change that a little bit. So let's go to edit. First page right here. Get this world conquering tool. It can't get any better than this, guaranteed. So this is really what you're after, right? This is what you want for your customers to come here, fill out this information, click next, and then you've got all this information saved to where you can send them an email. So the abandoned cart thing would be essentially where someone fills out this and then they do not buy. And that's the cool thing, is because you can send them an automated email through an automation email system that would then say like, Jerry, I see that you signed up but didn't buy. Here's another link. And if they don't sign up then you can send them another automation that says, Jerry, you didn't buy. For you, I'm going to give you an extra 10% off, right? Boom. So a lot of cool things you can do with ClickFunnels and other automations. So guys, first thing that I like to do when I'm selling like a physical product, I take off the phone number because I don't personally like to add my phone number, and I don't really think I'm not going to be using phone numbers myself. So let's go to advanced here, show phone number, hide phone number field. Okay, look how much easier that is. It just takes it off. And country, I'm just going to leave off country too. So just don't think that I'll probably be sending traffic outside of the United States. So let's see. So get your $200 sunglasses for only $19.99 today. Okay, and instead of making this a video, because I don't have a video, I'm going to do an image. Here, free shipping, and then say I want to do. I don't want anything right there. Yeah, so it looks pretty good, right? So get rid of all this stuff. You can put testimonials down here. You can add more pictures, and literally just send people right to this, right? So let's go ahead and click exit. One-time offer. So you're gonna put something else on here and be like, how about do more hair or only. Right, so yeah. Overall, you want to be making more money on the next page. Okay, the first page is kind of a capture. Second page, you want to make more. Whether it's still just as enticing, or even more enticing, or better deal, or less of a deal, or add something, and that's that. Okay, add more stuff. Create that however you want to. So let's go ahead and click save. Okay, so now I need to show you guys how to set up your products right here. So on this step, on this page, you're going to go to whatever you're going to sell products. So we're only selling one product, right? So I don't know, something like that, right? You can change this, so you can just put it however the display shows. Only blah 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 one time. You can also do a subscription, which is super cool. You can do a subscription sunglass company, right? Get a new pair of sunglasses every month. Settings, and do step 2, okay? So guys, you can see here what step 2 would look like. Super cool. This is where it gets exciting, I think. So you can put on here, this is where you would say like, save the $179 for $19 price, total price, credit card information, and then right here you could put like, yes, I want a new pair of sunglasses every month. Click here. And then you can do that subscription thing. So guys, there are so many options, so many cool things you can do with ClickFunnels. I highly suggest it. So guys, those are the demonstrations. Let's conclude, okay? Let's go back to our slides here. Guys, overall, I just want to say, keep it simple when building out funnels, okay? And get ClickFunnels, okay? And use their templates and focus on the goal, not necessarily the creativity. Once again, I love the quote, done is better than perfect. Stick to that, okay? Guys, lastly, step number 5. So we did step 1, 2, 3, you spent a lot of time on showing you the demonstrations. And then step 4 is just, once again, keep it simple, get it done. Last step, guys, there's a link down below. Sign up for ClickFunnels and I will send you bonuses, okay? I've got a YouTube course in the works, and I've got a free funnel basics guide that I'll share with you more secrets, more things. So guys, seriously, ClickFunnels is awesome for beginners and or experts, and you will save so much time. In fact, if you get it, you will get offers up and you can start making money. If you don't, I'm telling you, it's going to be extremely hard to try to build something out and it just won't work. You'll get frustrated. So guys, try it out for only 14 days. Sign up below. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe. Tip that bell notification if you'd like to be notified of the videos that I make. Thanks for hanging in there with me. Have an awesome day, and we'll see you on the next video.